And now go to the option summary. Right now we are on the case 3. And now we change the artificial lift to diluent injection. Here, diluent injection. Okay. And that's for the method. The type is annular injection tubing production. Okay. So that's click done. And now we go to the PVT data. Here again, the salinity increases 180,000 ppm. And now we need to input diluent properties. Okay, the properties of our diluent. And the diluent type, we will use water. But now this water is with lower salinity. So it's fresher, more fresh than the reservoir fluid. The salinity is only 20,000 ppm. So 20,000 ppm, the diluent water will dilute the original water from the reservoir. Okay, again, this is to avoid salt precipitation that can block our pipe, that can block our tubing. So it's quite easy. We just need to provide diluent properties. Click done. All right, and the IPR will be the same. We just need to adjust the water cut to 54%. Okay, and click done. Now, because we install diluent injection, okay, there will be gas lift as well that we provide. So we need to, here, we add this section. Okay, and then the diluent depth is, diluent injection depth is at 9,000 feet. Okay, so that's the spot to inject the diluent water. And diluent injection rate, we start with 5,000 stock tank barrel per day. So click done. And we need to change this equipment data, downhole equipment. All right. So I think that's already good. Okay, cancel. So it's, let me check again. So tubing flow, and then producer, diluent injection. Oh, sorry. So here, annular injection, but plus gas lift. And annular injection with gas lift. So now we will install gas lift as well. Click done. Let the system be ready now here. Okay, so now this is the spot of our diluent injection. And again, click this one. So the diluent injection depth is at 9,000 feet. Diluent injection rate 5,000 stock tank barrel per day. And the gas lift gas gravity, injected gas gravity, for example, 0.7. No H2S, no CO2, no nitrogen. The GLR, gas liquid ratio, for example, 50. And gas lift depth is at 7,500. And later on, we will do optimization to get the best GLR and the best injection rate. So click done. Okay, and then here. So we have our injection gas lift injection depth here and diluent injection depth here. But again, we need to check downhole equipment.